Hey guys, Daisy here. I know it's the last day of the Pride Month, but I really want to make this video, so today I'm going to show you how to make my version of pansexual makeup. Let's get started and I hope you will enjoy and hop!
Start with a basic makeup that you know will look good on you. Take a pink body paint, I mixed red and white. Start drawing like with eyeliner until you reach the middle of the eye and a little bit under the eye. Make sure the paint don't go into your eye, it can be painful. Continue the pink line with yellow body paint. You will need light blue body paint, I mixed blue and white. Finish the line under your eye. Repeat on the second eye. Some of the color got into my eye. It's a little bit painful, so be really careful. Put a premium on the lips. Start with the light blue on one side. Yellow go into the middle. And pink in the other side. Mix the body paint with more water than usual and then move your finger on the brush to make the dots on your face. pink in the side, yellow, and light blue. Repeat on the space with not enough color. It is really messy, so be prepared. Use mascara. You can use fake eyelashes if you want. Really thin eyeliner. And we're done.
Hey guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you want, you can copy this method on every flag you want, even this one. I really love him, it's so pretty. If you didn't understand any word I say until now, open the subtitle box we have in English and Hebrew. אם לא הבנתם אף מילה ממה שאמרתי עד עכשיו, תפתחו את הכתוביות, יש לנו באנגלית ועברית. And I probably should say it in the first minute of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow our Instagram. Mine is Daisy Spring Cosplay, and the channel is Cosplay Unite channel. Love you all. See you next time.